Next, after text, there is a table menu, right? So in table menu, you can create a tables, create new table. There are some options are there, so you have to understand about this one. So tables are useful when you create the bills, receipts, and some different kind of grid based documents. Okay, so directly you can use this create new table, or otherwise come to this text. Below that there is a table tool. So what we do with the table tool, draw, select and edit tables. Suppose draw the table, default it is showing 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, okay, the grid. Now you can use this create new table, and here it is showing 3 by 4, okay. So these are 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Let us create the 3 by 4. Suppose this is 3 by 4, the same 1 2 3 4, and this is a 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. They both are same, right? Okay. So by manually also you can create, or otherwise directly you can drag and create the create table. Okay. So this is, now we can edit this. Okay. So how to edit this? See, when you use this tool, the table tool, okay, there is a, first to select this one. Now here see, there is a black arrow is showing. So this is what you can moving inside, and it is going other side, and here it is cross. So with that what we do, suppose when you click there, your all the rows are selected. Okay, after selecting the rows, you can right click here, and if you want you can use a merge cells, the control M, you make the cells here, and if you want you can add text here. Okay, so for that you can use the text tool, but from the controls, the properties, the properties are there here. So this is the margins here. Okay, these are the margins to increase and decrease that one, and here it is the alignment, and this is also alignment, and here what is the bullet numbers and there. So here edit text. Okay, so you can type the text here. So this is the text here. Now see here some options are there, then can use the options, rows and columns you can increase and decrease. So it is increasing, and even you can add the width also. And there here fill color, suppose you can fill inside the box, the table, and here so, edit fill, you can edit the fill color. See outline color, you can change the outline color. I am using this outline color to red. This is the red, and I don't want this color. Actually, I remove this one. Now the thickness, outline width. This is the thickness of the, suppose this is a receipt, bill receipt, right? So we'll create and we design a bill in coming classes as a part of the assignment, right? So here we are focusing only on the explaining table tool. Now here the border selection, select all border or only inside, or outside, top and bottom, left and right, top, bottom, left. Suppose inside, select the inside border. Okay. And now change that color, only that color. Here from the palette I am using the right click to get the particular color, okay, by choosing this, the inside border. Now let us select outside border. Now this is the outside border. Want to select that color to this one or this one. So these are the options, okay. And this is what automatically resize cells while typing, okay, and separated cell borders automatically resize cells when typing, okay. So you can type here, you can type here. Now see, it is going inside only. Now see, the cells are automatically resizing as per your options. Okay, uncheck this one, Control Z I am using. Separated cell borders. So here cell borders are separated, okay. Now here you can use all border, top and bottom, okay. The color is in default, it is in black, it is applying for the all border. Now let us check this to some other color. Now see, the color is added, okay, but here I am using only that black. And you can increase this one, this size. So these are wrapping styles. So here you can wrap the objects or text, whatever, okay. So this we will understand more clearly in the coming assignment. There is a separate class is there on the wrapping objects, okay. And now here see, there is an arrow showing here. So here, or otherwise here, this side. So select this one, and if you want, you can merge cells, okay. And suppose here, select this one and merge cells, merge these cells, okay, and right click on that, split into columns or rows. So rows are, these are the straight, the vertical lines, okay. Columns, I want into columns, I want these into 2 columns or 3 columns, and let us say okay. See, these are converted into 3 columns. Now select this one, split into rows. Now you can split into rows, these are the rows, okay. And now select this one, right click. So you can use unmerge also, okay. So unmerge cells, and select this one, right click here, select cell row, select cell, that particular cell, okay. Now select this one and select, and suppose row, that entire row, and select this one and select column, this whole column, entire column, and select the table, the whole table, okay, and right click here. Suppose if you want to delete that row, so delete that row, and right click here, and a column, of course the whole column, Control Z, and right click here and distribute columns evenly. Okay, the columns are distributed evenly, or otherwise select this entire thing, right click and rows evenly. So now see, rows are evenly distributed. Okay, and now select this one, distribute columns evenly. The columns are right now they are in even, but sometimes when you move all these things, so now see, these are not in even, right? You can use this distributed columns evenly. Automatically these columns are distributed into even. And right click here and you can use Control X, cut that one, that portion, and right click here. So copy that one, that portion, copy and right click and paste it. So now see, replace selected row or otherwise insert above. So you can replace this one with the new one, or otherwise insert above this one, or insert below. Here I am using insert below, so that will come here. So yes, these are okay. So these are very helpful when you create receipts and bills and some documents, grid based documents, right? So this is all about the table menu.